Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing so good. It's late, I am filming, so I promised I would, and I am, so go me. But today's going to be a really simple one. I'm showing you how I slick back my hair. I know this hair look, is all the rage at the minute. Honestly, it's so simple to do. You know, really easy to get hold of the products that you need to do it. Super simple to do it on your hair. I think it would even work on shorter hair as well if you've kind of got like a shorter bob. The way that you can slick this back is amazing. If you want to find out how I create this very slick back look, really simply, then just keep on watching. Please excuse the state of my hair. Obviously we're going to be fixing that. A few things that you're going to need for this tutorial, because I'm going to whiz through it, so I will zoom you in. I will whiz through it, so I just want to show you ahead of time so you kind of know what I'm picking up when. A brush, I have my paddle brush obviously to brush out any knots. Two, I'm going to be using my back combing brush. This is one that I've had for years and years from Boots. They do still sell it, being my kind of go-to hairbrush for a long time to get those sleek looks. It's quite cheap, so if I can find it I'll link it below. If not, just go on Amazon or just go on Boots or wherever, like whatever hair shop that you use, and just have a look at back combing brushes. You're going to need some hair bubbles. I just obviously have these, but I'm also going to what I like to call boost up my bun. To do that, there's a few ways that you can. It's all about the hair elastic or hair bubble that you use. You can use like these types of bubbles, like the plastic kind of looks like there's no end to them. I don't know what the right term is for these ones. I have a variety of colours. I usually go with the brown. The rest I use in bed, but I usually go with the brown, and that obviously helps to boost up your ponytail. So obviously it's a thicker band, so there's obviously feels like a thicker elastic to wrap your hair around, which kind of essentially lifts out your bun. But you could always tie your hair with one of these normal elastics and then go on top with a scrunchie and then twist your hair bun around that, so you've kind of got like a something to pack the hair around, which is quite nice as well. Or you could always put this over the top of your bun, so you've kind of got like scrunchie on top of your bun, kind of cute. Or you can kind of go with like the donut thing, which was so popular for people to have like a high bun. You can obviously use it for a low bun as well, which is always handy. So there's those. I'm just going to kind of use one of these today. I'm not going to use any of the others because it is kind of, I'm ready for bed, guys. So yeah, I'm doing this just to go to bed. You're also going to need some type of styling gel, mousse, whatever you like to use on your hair. I am using the Alberto Balsam Ultra Strong Styling Gel. I actually just got this because I needed hair gel. I don't know if this is amazing or not. It's extra hold, so I just needed gel. But if there is a better gel that you think, go for it. This is just a cheapo little hair gel that I've got, and also hairspray. I would normally use hairspray on a daily basis to keep everything in place, but as I am going to bed, I will end up just brushing this out and, you know, going to bed. So I probably won't use hairspray, but if you're in the day watching this and you're going to slick back your hair, this is great to obviously give that extra hold alongside the hair gel. First I'm going to just brush my hair out. My hair is greasy and in need of a wash, so it kind of helps with this look, but it's obviously, if you've got really clean hair, do you want to be putting loads of product in it? It's completely up to you, but I usually do this look when my hair is kind of on the verge of go, you need to wash that hair situation, and I just don't have time. So I'll obviously wash my hair tomorrow, but yeah, my hair is greasy, so it's perfect for this hair look. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is, I do have a mirror there, so please excuse me. I'm going to just take, I've got like smaller bits of my hair, these. I'm going to take these out. I'm just going to clip these. Look at my like growing hair, because I've had a bubba. But look, see how you've got like a bit of a V shape? If you've got like shorter bits on the front of your hair, it's really cute to do this. If not, ignore this part and just go for the slick back. Right, so now you've done that, what I'm going to do is literally brush back the rest of my hair. Just to kind of brush it back for now. And then take some hair gel. I'm going to take quite a bit of this, like a good size amount, and just kind of like put that into my hair, just to kind of like slick it back. I'm going to just brush the hair back. I want mine to be around there, so it's like a mid pony. And I'm going to take my elastic band, I'm just going to wrap the hair around to create the bun. Like so. Now to do the front bits. This is where it gets a bit more fun. So part your hair, obviously, so it looks like that. Take a little bit more hair gel. I mean like a little pea size. I'm just gonna I look like bloody Snape from Harry Potter. Anyway, like slick it back so you've got real slick back pieces, and then take your bristle brush and just brush your hair in. If you need more gel, you can add more gel. But you can use this to kind of neaten up the rest of your hair as well, so it's sleek. I have like annoying sideburns at the minute because my hair is regrowing. I'm going to just get some more hair gel. I'm going to add some more in to keep that in place. Right, so I've got like these little weird hairs here because they're growing. I'm going to have to figure that out, but I need to look in the mirror for it. So I'm just going to slick this down. Taking this brush again, I'm just going to neaten it up a bit. Like so, so it slicks it in. Like that. Now, that is literally how you get your hair to be slick in. Now, if you're concerned about the bits dropping down over time, obviously you would then hairspray your hair. Fuck it, we'll just hairspray our hair. That will keep it all in place. Get an extra strong hold hairspray. And then if you're worried about those two bits falling down, you could always use some little bobby pins or grips, whatever you call them. So that's that. So that's it, you guys. That is literally how I slick my hair back. Super simple, as you can see. Hopefully you got that on camera alright. Hopefully the lighting's been okay. It's kind of annoying filming in the dark. I can't get it right at the moment, I just can't get it right, but hopefully you found this video useful. This is kind of like the look at the minute, isn't it? Everyone's slicking their hair back. I've been doing this since 2006. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. And my very shiny self for some reason. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.